Let's talk about the natural gas. Natural gas it occurs in association with mineral oil. So let me give you the brief introduction about the natural gas. What is it? Actually, it is consisting of primarily of methane gas. You might have studied methane gas in chemistry subject. It is created in two primary ways. First of all, in the biogenic mechanism, and secondly in the thermogenic gas. So first I'll tell you in the form of biogenic mechanism. It creates natural gas by methogenic organism, and this natural gas is created in landfill. Also, it has been often harvested to be used as fuel. Secondly, if we talk about the thermogenic gas is created deep inside the earth at the great temperature as well as pressure conditions from which has been buried from organic material. Now we will see about the liquefied petroleum gas LPG, which we use at our household in cylinders. It is a byproduct which has been obtained after refining crude oil. The main component of LPG is butane gas, the other being propane and ethane. These gases are odorless gas, but the LPG in our domestic gas cylinders, it gives a foul smell. You can feel also sometimes at your homes, whenever your mother used to work in kitchen and sometimes she forgot to close the button of gas stove, then you can feel this odor of that foul smell of this LPG gas. Then one more also comes here, that in many places LPG is being replaced by pipeline natural gases, which is also known as the PNG gas. Not LPG cylinder, it is known as the LPG gas, but in pipeline it is known as the PNG gas. What is CNG? Compressed natural gas. You might have studied in Delhi, cities like Delhi, mostly the vehicles, they are using auto rickshaw which are using CNG gases. So this CNG gas is full formed as compressed natural gas. It is being used an alternative to petrol and diesel for transport to vehicles. Okay. Then distribution. If we talk about the distribution, which which part of India where we can find this natural gas, the natural gas has become an important source of energy in India. The Gas Authority of India, GAIL, GAIL is doing pioneer work in the field of natural gas exploration, and over 3/4 means we can say in percentage, if we talk about near about 65% natural gas comes from the Mumbai High. Rest it comes from the 35% comes from the Assam, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan and Tripura. Now we will see the advantages of natural gas. Natural gas, it has certain advantages. Natural gas is a renewable source of energy. It can be recreated. It can be created in the landfills from degradable matter in trash. Hence, it is a very cheaper product. Natural gas can be efficiently and safely stored. It is considered to be environment friendly also due to its low emission and burning. This gas is used as the cooking also in the form of LPG, in fuels for vehicle also in form of CNG. Okay, and now we will talk about its disadvantages. Like other fossil fuel, means like a coal and petroleum, this natural gas is still does create greenhouse effect emissions. It cannot be used at large scale. Natural gas is highly volatile as well as it is dangerous also to handle and transport carelessly. So true natural gas is very colorless, odorless and tasteless, which make it leak detection difficult. This is all about the your natural gas. Now I'll tell you problems of the natural gas. See, it is a flaring gas. It is a flaring of gas. It is a common problem. It take place due to lack of required compression and transportation facilities. अगर ये इजीली आपका और जल्दी से ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं हुआ तो ये क्या हो जाती है, फ्लेयर हो जाएगी. एंड लैक ऑफ टेक्निकल हेल्प ऑल्सो फॉर ऑपरेशन सेफली, इट विल flare, it will completely flare. So these are the advantages as well as the disadvantages of natural gas.